Welcome. In this video I will show you how to adjust FOV or field of view in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Start by entering settings. To do that, either press F3 or click the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then go to graphics. In graphics, select view tab right here. And now to adjust the general field of view, you just have to move this bar to the right if you want to increase your field of view, or to the left to decrease it. You can also adjust the third person field of view by moving this bar. You can change ADS field of view from independent to affected. The independent ADS field of view zooms the field of view to its usual value, and the affected one zooms it closer to the field of view general setting. And you can also change the weapon field of view from default to narrow to wide. And you can also change the vehicle field of view in the same way as the weapon field of view. And to apply settings, just exit this menu and they will be applied automatically. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.